DuckDuckGo is building its own desktop browser. DuckDuckGo takes aim at Google Chrome, but insists it isn't going to fork Google's Chromium project, upon which Chrome, Edge, and others are built on. So this is obviously a privacy-focused search engine. I've never used DuckDuckGo. You?
No.
You never gave it a crack? I think Kirk might have goofed around for a minute or two.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. Options are fantastic, especially in a space that's so heavily dominated by one player, really.
But the privacy component is really alluring.
DuckDuckGo CEO Gabriel Weinberg details its desktop browser in a blog post recapping its milestones for 2021, including 150 million downloads of its all-in-one privacy apps for iOS and Android and Chromium extensions. Weinberg attempts to distinguish the DuckDuckGo desktop browser from the likes of Chromium-based Brave. Brave is another privacy-focused. And Firefox by arguing it's not a privacy browser. Instead, it's just a browser that offers robust privacy protection by default and works across search, browsing, email, and more. It's an everyday browsing app that respects your privacy because there's never a bad time to stop companies from spying on your search and browsing history. Well, that sounds like a privacy browser. I guess he just doesn't like the terminology specifically.
Sure.
But who knows? Maybe I got to give it a crack. Instead of forking Chromium or anything else, we're building our desktop app around the OS-provided rendering engines like on mobile, allowing us to strip away a lot of the unnecessary cruft and clutter that's accumulated over the years in major browsers. So I guess he's that's shots fired. He's saying, hey, you're a bit heavy over there.
Yeah,
we're coming in.
Someone's a bit heavy set.
Yeah,
a browser.
We're coming in lightweight, like lightning. We're gonna be fast. Lean. We'll see. I mean, if it's truly speedy and not lacking features, then hey, man, I'm open game.
For sure, yeah.